Good morning, guys. So it's a first broadcast for today, and I'm going to run through the markets, through the morning condition, like early morning condition for Euro. It's even before the Euro will start. It will start in like 2 hours, but still we can see something already on the market. So I will just run through it, and then, as I've already mentioned, I'm using like session levels. Well, I call them session levels, and I do use, excuse me, all right, so, and I do use option levels as well. So I'm using CME reports to kind of analyze and to count the levels by myself. So I always see, I do have all the levels they've got, and I do have the volume around them. So basically that's, for me, it's like a filter. First, I have to know what is happening on the market, what kind of condition, do we have a potential reversal signals or something. I start with 4-hour chart and then I go from there. So basically with you, I'm going to share my view on 4-hour chart for today. So basically what is happening now and how it is possible to start a European session here. So, okay, just a second, let me start. Okay, so another thing what I want to tell you is I always have this message here, ask and get answer. So basically the reason why I'm posting, why I'm doing these broadcasts here is just to kind of talk to you guys. I mean, you can always ask me any questions while I'm kind of analyzing the market. So basically I do start with 4-hour chart because, well, especially, you know, before the European session, if we have a clear signal, then, well, the European session before the American overlap, it can actually follow it. So that's what I'm actually doing. Okay, guys, so let's start, and let me just remove what I had here yesterday. So yeah, it's euro dollar, as you can see. Okay, yes, it's euro dollar, as you can see at the moment. And all right, so what is happening here? So yes, we did have a very good levels here at 1.10460, and the price bounced off it, so it does go up. And as I have told you before, that few things can actually happen here, is that the price is possibly going to give us a third wave. So we have to wait till about like 12 o'clock or something like this, or at least 11 o'clock, how the first hour of European session will be closed. And then, well, I'm not a scalper in its kind of, let's see, classical way. So I do scalp sometimes, but it's all, anyway, it's from like longer term positions, basically, view. So I look at the charts, and if I see a potential for the price kind of that it will go like, let's say, 100 pips or 200 pips or something like this, then using a scalping methodology, I'm trying to enter the market with less kind of stop losses, you know, with the tight stop loss and high risk reward ratio. Well, I know it's all kind of sounds usual, but that's something what works. And well, I've been trading a lot, and that's something what I can prove, basically, that it does work, basically. Okay, so what I can see here is that the price is probably going to give us a third wave, which will still clear this low here, because, well, yes, I've already told about it yesterday, but the thing is that it's cleared, but it's continued its up movement. So basically, two scenarios at the moment, and I'm just waiting for confirmation on them. So if it will go further up, then, well, not now. I'm not going to enter it now, so probably I'm just losing it. So if it will give us a tail towards the 1.10160, then I will try to kind of enter here. And well, again, we must know that must remember that the euro is more likely to go down than to go up. So basically, to go up, it must have a very, very strong kind of bullish signal here. So we can start even with the daily signals to see what has happened yesterday. So as you can see, we do have a chance to reversal here. So, well, anything can happen, and we already had a tail here towards the 1.10799. So it's quite easily the price can continue to go up towards the 113 somewhere there, and then it will, or this level here at 1.11860 will be cleared before the price will continue to go down. Okay, so let me switch back to 4-hour charts, and two scenarios I will draw them here. So what is possibly going to happen? So, okay, I'm choosing the trend line, and I hope that you can see it all. So we are doing this kind of formation, which is quite possible at the moment. So it will do something like this, or it will possibly do something like this. So, and then when this level here or this one will be cleared, so the volume will be collected, then it will possibly go further up, or if the volume will be enough here. And but again, what I think that to go down, the price must collect the volume around these levels here. So let me draw it here as well. So I would say this level is a key to go down as well, because lots of people are, lots of participants are placing the stop losses around this area. So for price to go down, the price must hit kind of all these stop losses. And if the volume won't be enough to go kind of further, then further up, then the price will reverse and it will kind of go down again. So that's what I see here on the market in a price section view, without anything like volume, etc. So it's just an analysis in the morning. So it all depends. Some of you are probably going to enter now and use these kind of signals, you know, to guess what is going to happen on the European session. But what I normally do, I wait till 11 o'clock in basically GMT +2. So it's like let's say 10 o'clock. No, not 10, it's 9 o'clock, sorry, I'm watching the chart here as well. Okay, so that's actually what is going to happen. I mean, well, the first hour of European session will give us an idea of what is possibly going to happen in the near future or during the European session. Okay, so let's go further. Okay, so what about the euro-yen? Same situation. So to go further down, I guess we must clear this 114,739. So again, it is possible that the volume has been collected with this accumulation here, as you can see. And sorry about it. All right. So few scenarios here. So first scenario is that price is possibly going to do something like this. So it's a simplified way of analysis. It's something what I've been working on, and Basically, that's something what I trade, and it helps me to analyze, to have a view on the market. Okay, and the second, what can be, it means like if we are using this low, well, again, we do have this high here as well. And what can also be is that no, it won't be right. It will be wrong, to be honest. So what it is, the price can go from here. It can go down to clear this low here before it will go up. Again, to go up, it must have enough volume. If it won't have enough volume here, then the possibility of going down is also kind of arises. So basically, if the price will break through this level and it will go down, then we will have something like this here, and we will be able to use this correction on, let's see, it will be like on 15 minutes time frame or something like this. But basically, if the price is closing somewhere here, then we are placing our limit order. Let's say 1 hour is closing here. We are placing limit order on this line here, 109.214, and then we're entering low. Okay, so now let's go further. What is going to happen? All right, it's EuroCAD again, if you're watching it. So, well, I thought that the price of 1.44716 will be reached. It didn't actually reach it, and it does show us some kind of, let's say, congestion here. So what is possible to happen, that the price is going to go still reach this level before it will go down towards here. Well, another scenario is the price is possibly going to go down here. So what I suggest to do, how I trade, I'll kind of mention it one more time. So basically, I am waiting for a level to be reached. When it's reached, I'm waiting for a confirmation of something, breakout, or let's say breakout or bounce. Yes, so when I see it, then I'm using limit orders to enter the market into towards the analysis point of view, let's see. Okay, so let's go further. So it's euro pound. Euro pound is going up at the moment. So what I think is possible to happen, we do have a level here. So as you can see, I have already kind of well, I would say that this area is a potential kind of, well, it's too much basically. Well, first of all, this one is an area for a potential reversal. So what can be? Well, as we all know, when the price is strongly moving in one direction, it doesn't mean that kind of corrections like this will occur. I mean, kind of long corrections will occur. So it will be short, and it might be short, might be long. So basically what I do, I will wait till this area is reached at least before I will try to buy. So basically what it is, we do have a very important level here, 8313, and okay, so we do have a historical level at 84509. So you can see it in the history if you want. So you can manage it right there. And so to go further up, the price will touch this level with a high possibility. So I would say that the price will go into this area and then it will go up. So or if the price will be closed kind of below this level here, so the possibility of going down and testing at least this level here is possible. So we have to watch it. So it will be messy, I think. It won't be kind of some clear signals here or something like this. All right, so let's go further. So the price is going down. So if you want, or if you're looking to buy it, well, I've already tried to buy it here with this. Well, my limit order has been triggered with this candle here, and it's happened during the night time. So I do have a break even here. So well, I didn't lose, but I didn't make. Well, I've made just a little bit, just a few points here. So which is. I'm not really happy about it, but still, you know, so before we are higher than this low here, the price is possibly going to reverse. So watch it. And yes, well, I think that if this level will be broken, then it's a very high possibility of the price to hit this level at a 99,516. It's an option level. I'm not sure it will be changed today, so I will be counting them in about an hour. So I will, let's say it will be in, in 2.5 hours. I'm going to have another webinar here, and I will kind of share my view on option levels as well. So where the volume is, so you'll be able to know it. Okay, so what is possible to happen is something like this. We kind of going down here before it will go up, and we are not sure if it will or not. So if it does go down, then we are waiting for correction here to enter. So it does look very classy here, but the thing is that even though the market is noisy, these kind of patterns, they're still happening here. So basically, that's something what we can always use. Aussie dollar, the same, very, very, I would say, interesting situation here. As you can see, a very, very long tail candle here. And well, what it might be a good reversal, good accumulation here in the area. But what it also can be, it can be a way towards, let's see, this level here. So basically, we must wait how the euro will open, and if it will show us some kind of possible reversal here towards down, then it is possible to kind of sell it with the limit order. So don't worry when sometimes you think that you are missing a trade. Don't worry about it. Place a limit order. That's how everyone is trading. That's how high frequency traders are trading. No one is using kind of, oh, I see something, oh, I will use it. No, 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 no. No one is doing it. So basically, don't be afraid of losing a trade. Be afraid of losing your account. That's what you must do. That's what you must think about. Sorry. Okay, so wait till some kind of confirmation here. So closing below this 0.7515. I will post the option levels later on, so we can filter which level to use here, and then if the price will show us this kind of reversal here, then the target will be 74085. Okay, let's go further. So pound dollar at the bottom here. Okay, so it's a cable. All right, so what I see here, well, it is possible that the price will give us kind of up move a little bit, so towards probably this 1.31120. I'm not sure that it's a good idea to use it because, well, you know, the possibility for this week, the possibility of pound going down for a little bit is quite high. So I don't know, if you want to use a pure price action, I mean, the trend is going down, as you can see here. Well, we can use this area here. So the trend is going down, and there is no reason to kind of buy it here. But we do have some kind of accumulation here, very strong signal for our chart to buy, but I'm not going to do it, to be honest, here. So, okay. So what can be the target? The first target will be here at 1.31120. the price will go towards this level, and then it will possibly continue to go down again. To go up, it has to collect the volume. It will be collected where the stop losses are. So that's why our stop losses are always triggered. No matter what we do, we use structural stop losses or we use break-evens. So, but it's all about tactics. I mean, how you trade, how you want to trade. Okay, so that's what I see here. Let's go further. So QE is going up. I've missed this entry here. Unfortunately, we are approaching very important level at 71686, and then if this level will be broken, we will go towards the 72397 level. Then it all depends. The price can reverse from here towards down, or it will continue to go up. We have another level to reverse, and then the possibility of the price to move high is also exists, but well, not necessarily that it will happen, basically, because it's we always have to follow the main trend, the main direction of what is actually going on and what we do trade. So basically the currency, well, as you can see, the dollar is here, and I'm not sure that it will drop a lot, basically, especially if the euro will be unstable. So we have to be careful with this kind of decision. Of course, possibility of having a third wave like this. So 1, 2, and 3 is possible as well. So look for a price action. Don't buy it at the moment. Look for what is going to happen here, and then if we do have a reversal pattern here, then we can sell with the target, first target at 7077, and if it will break through this level, then we can place a limit order at 0.71685 with a target of 72397. That's it. Okay, let's go further. Pound yen, the same situation as you can see with the pound. We do have some sort of congestion here. It might be accumulation towards the at least smaller correction, and then the price will possibly continue to go its down movement, but anything can happen. I'm not going to buy it here anyway, so I'm looking only for selling opportunities because the trend is down. We do have a very strong impulse here that the price did go down here, and well, basically this level here must be cleared before we are kind of buying it. So I mean, I'm always about safety on the market. So for now, of course, well, we can buy somewhere here and make lots of money before the price will reach this level, but you know, you must have some kind of discipline. So that's what I'm using. That's my approach. That's how I trade. That's how I make money. So basically, making money is the main thing in trading. If you're not making it, then you must do something about it. So I mean, review your approach to trading, to your analysis, to, I don't know, to something. All right. Next one, Aussie yen. Aussie yen is going down at the moment. What I see here is a third wave, third correctional wave, I would say, or it can be a third impulse wave as well. So I'll tell you what I mean. So for a correction, this level must not be hit. So then something like this is going to happen. First, second, and third. So this level will be cleared after this one is cleared. And then, so this is the main one. Must be, sorry, it's not really that beautifully drawn here, but that's fine to understand. So basically what is happening, the price is going down at the moment. As we can see, the main trend is down as well. I do have these moving averages. I'm not using them, but well, at least they kind of help me sometimes for not using the higher time frame here. Well, I mean, like now, for example, for a webinar. So it's not a webinar, it's just stream. So I'm not getting prepared to streams at all. So it's just my sharing of my view. All right, so to go up, it must be here. Then it's like fractalization of or fractality of the waves in the market. So basically, to go down, further down below this level, I guess that something like this is possibly to happen. So the price can go, it was the first wave, now it will be the second wave. So it's kind of, and then it will go down here. So basically this level has to be cleared to go up, and this level has to be cleared to go down. But we must know that this stop loss, this first stop loss, has already been cleared, and the possibility of the price going down is possible. Again, don't think that there will be enough volume here to break through this level now. So in case if this kind of thing is going to happen, the possibility of breaking through this level, through this low, is quite high. If the price is going down now, and if it will break through this level, I'm not sure that it will break through this one. So it will be a very strong support. That's my view on the market. It's Aussie yen. All right, let's go further. Dollar CAD. All right, what I can see here, as you can see, the lines are here, and I'm not going to change my view. So I do expect the price will continue to go towards this area before it will show us something, before it will probably go up or something like this. So now we are going down. Those of you who have missed this entry here, so this that was the first entry, and it all depends on what kind of stop loss you've been using. So probably if your stop loss have been triggered here, then you had another opportunity to enter the market here, basically on this candle close, or as you can see, this tail showing us that those of you who have placed limit orders on the low of this candle have been have entered the market, basically, and the price is going down now. I'm not sure that it can show us something like this here. So the price is going down. Sorry about all these lines here. I'll still try my best. All right, so let's go further up. It's gold. Gold again. What I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for this level to be reached before the price will go down. So again, it won't go down like not the new trend will not kind of appear here, but at least a correction towards the something like 349 or something like this. So somewhere around here, this area. So it will be a good sell. Risk reward as well will be good. So okay, that's what I'm waiting for. So this level might be reached today, and then we'll see what is going to happen. It will break through it or it will reverse. Okay, so okay, what's here? It's New Zealand yen. We are seeing some kind of bounce here, but this level has not been cleared. This low here has not been cleared yet. So again, it might be a third wave of the present move can actually appear here. So what I'm trying to say is something like this. At least it will kind of clear this level, and then it will possibly go towards here, or when these levels, both of them, will be cleared, the price can actually bounce off here and go up toward this level, 74,194. Okay, so that's what we do. Okay, dollar franc, it's interesting thing. Well, for now, as you can see, the price is going down. I want to buy it. I'm looking for a buying opportunity here. We are in some kind of congestion area. Well, as I've drawn yesterday, we do have a Oh, sorry about it. A potential reversal area here, but I do believe that this level must be cleared before the price will go up. So basically I do wait till this level is reached, and then I'm waiting for a pattern here to go up. All right, so that's what I do with the dollar franc. Let's go further. Mexican is going down now. 18.8679 has been hit. It doesn't show us a clear bounce of this level, so as you can see, so the possibility of continuation of down move continuation is quite high towards the, excuse me, so towards the 18.34862. So that's what it is. In case if the price will be closed below this level, then we can use a limit order to kind of try to catch this move down. All right, let's go further. CAD yen. All right, so what is here? So the price is going down at the moment, you see, so it's already for 16 hours. Not 16 hours, it's for 12 hours plus for 1 more hour here. So 4-hour candle we are using. So again, this level must be hit before it will make any reversals. So that's why the price is going down. That's how all these double tops and double bottoms are formed. It's all because of the limit orders, entries, etc. So in case of a strong continuation from here, or when this level will be broken, the price can actually go up to here easily. We do have a very important level here, of course. So this level might be broken, that the price will possibly go here as well. But also what is possible, again, another view, always must have at least 2 views on the market, what is going to happen is something like this. And then it will go down. So again, to do this kind of move, the price must collect the volume here. So by volume, I mean stop losses. All right, so what we do, Aussie, New Zealand. All right, that was a very, very nice shot here. So as I have mentioned, I didn't enter the market, unfortunately, here. I did place a, it was yesterday, basically. I was sleeping, unfortunately, because if I didn't sleep, I would definitely enter. I think it's 4-hour candle. It has been closed at 4 hours my time. It's GMT plus 2. It's 2 hours in GMT. It's 2 o'clock in GMT. And we were able to use, with this closing price, we were able to use a limit order to enter the market, and it would be a great move, to be honest. Well, you see, I've already mentioned the area of potential reversal, but unfortunately, I'm not able to get into this one at all. So let's see what is going to happen here. Let me draw another rectangle. So another potential reversal pattern here, but I guess that the possibility of breaking through this level is quite high, to be honest. So again, let's wait till this level is reached, and then we'll see what is going to happen. Don't really like to trade breakouts on the crosses, so it's better to trade bounces. Okay, let's go further. It's euro dollar. I've already talked about it. Okay, so that's basically it for this morning. I will be with you in like 3 hours. I'm going to do webinar on option levels on Dukascopy, and basically I will retranslate it here. So all right guys, so I'll see you later. I hope that you did enjoy. No one has wrote me any questions, which is bad. I don't really like it, because that's what it's all about. It's ask and get answer. And I hope that the next time you'll be kind of, you'll have something in your mind, and you'll be able to kind of ask me something. All right, guys, so have a good one, and I'll see you later.